Hey, good morning. It's John, Vets Helping Others. It's been a while since I've made a video, I understand. And it's just been really busy, really hectic, and I haven't really had time to mess with filming. And when I do, I don't film at all. I get too wrapped up into what I'm doing. I just don't get it done. Anyways, hopefully I actually make a video, because it's been a while, and finish this filming process. So what we're doing today is we are working on a 40 by 70 greenhouse pad build. So I brought the excavator. You can see that it's on a slope on a mountainside or a hillside. So I've also got to remove these two apple trees. There's my truck. And also build a road over to this pad. So yeah, anyways, that's what we're going to accomplish this week. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. This guy is actually paying, and we haven't been able to do too many free jobs, haven't had the money, so I do have to actually charge some to be able to live and survive. So anyways, so he marked out the location of where he wants it. So there's one of the corner pads, corner stakes. The other one's down there. The other one is right there. And the final one is down there. So as you can see, it's quite of a slope. So we are going to be digging up and making this happen. So anyways, we're gonna get started, and I'll probably end up trying to make this I'm gonna try and do a time lapse, set the machine up so I can do a time lapse and have you guys watch if you guys want to. So if not, well, thanks for watching either way. Stand by. Okay, well, we're gonna get started. I just want to let you guys know that unfortunately that one is down to 22%. So I will film what I can. It will be on time lapse, so when it runs out, it runs out. I will definitely make sure I charge the batteries tonight. Yeah. Oops. my battery died on the time-lapse one. So anyways, what we're basically doing is going from point to point. Where's the other? There, point right there on the ground. Anyways, gonna draw a straight line over to it. Rob Peter to pay Paul. So it's a pretty good dip. So I scratched out an area, so now I'm just dozer pushing it over. But I'm gonna have to scratch out more and go down a little bit farther to have enough to put over there. So anyways, kind of give you a gist of what's going on. Idle down. Anyway, now maybe you can hear me, so without yelling. So anyways, that's what I'm doing. It's really easy digging. It's dirt. It's not rocks or anything like that, so it's pretty easy digging. Won't take me too long at all. So all right, stay tuned. I'll show you when progress as we make it. So all right, thanks. Some real-time watching as well. You don't want to watch it, you don't have to. It's all good. Trying to give you a diversity of whatever fucking called. Give you a choice of what you guys watch. I love this excavator. I didn't like the price, but it's something you have to deal with. It is definitely a tool that I can help people with, yet make some money myself. I'm definitely not too slow at it. So I'm trying to give them their money's worth. Well, not full bucket sometimes. Get what you get. But anyways, I'm gonna put you guys back on time lapse. You guys get the point. Not too fast at it yet. I'm still working on my speed, but definitely not too slow at it either. Slow, precise movements. Speed comes with experience, or speed is a byproduct of experience, I want to say. Some shit like that. With experience comes speed. How's that? Does that make sense? Anyways, I'm gonna shut up. Half of you guys can't probably stomach my voice anyway. Okay, well, taking a little break and showing you guys what I'm doing. So I'm digging down. Rob Peter to pay Paul. So I'm going from this point down. There's another point down on the other side of the hill. But then I've got more I got to dig out here. Kind of that line right there. All the way to that marker right there. If you guys can see that. Anyways, so I've got to do this line here. All the way, push it over the edge. So where's my other, there, you can barely see that stake on the other side, on the corner. So anyways, you guys kind of get the gist of what I'm doing, digging down and pushing it over. So I had a lot more digging. It's really actually not doing too bad. It's need my bobcat here, but I need to dig and get the digging done first, and then I can get the bobcat over here and actually level and fine tune it to make it nice and flat. I'm not gonna bring the grade machine, whatever the machine's called. Chaz, you know what it is because you have one. Anyways, I'm gonna get back to work. No rest for the wicked, right? All right, I'm stopping for the night, and just like that, it's raining. Yay! All right, well, as you can see, the corner post there, I still got some edging to do, but I did the back wall there and over there, and you see it slopes back. That's where this dirt's gonna go. But for the main part, the main excavator portion of it's done. I'm gonna bring the bobcat over tomorrow and do some leveling, some tuning, bringing everything out to where he wants it. This edge here needs cleaned up. It's kind of candy-wampus, but all of that dirt's gonna come over here. That's a lot of rock, decomposed granite got into it, so that's good. It'll compact instead of slough as much. But bringing you over to this other side where the other post is, there's the other post. So got a little bit of edging to do, but it's a good start for the day. And you can see I got into the rock and granite a little bit here, so I'm gonna take the bobcat bucket and scrape all this up and build all that up, level her out tomorrow. So, alright, stay tuned. I'm gonna try and get home early enough to post this thing tonight. So,
it's been a while.
Alright, oh hey, the owner's here. Cool, I can go talk to him about this. Bye.